A very pleasant morning to all my dear children. Welcome back to English Online class of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. How are you all doing, children? I hope you all are doing good. Yes? Okay, children, then let's begin our today's session. Today, let's discuss a workbook of our second semester. Okay? So, you all can take out your workbook. We'll discuss the very first lesson from our second semester workbook. That is Irah's Flower Garden, page number 1. So, in page number 1, they have given you some exercises. And the very first exercise, it is based on grammar. They have given you 5 sentences. So you have to fill in those 5 sentences either with past continuous tense or with present continuous tense. So we have already studied past continuous tense and present continuous tense. We all know word to use past continuous tense and word to use present continuous tense, right? So let's have a quick revision of what is past continuous tense and present continuous tense, how it looks like. What is the form of present continuous tense and past continuous tense? Let's start with past continuous tense. Okay. So how is the form, children? How do we know that particular sentence is in past continuous tense? So if you see the form was or were plus verb plus ing form, then it is in past continuous tense. Okay. So if it is a singular subject, we are mentioning about a singular person or a singular thing, what we had to use? We had to use was. If we are referring to too many people or too many things, then we had to use were. Okay. So that's the difference. Was or were plus verb plus ing makes the past continuous tense. So what is the verb, children? Verbs are action words. Okay. Whatever actions you do, that becomes the verbs. Okay. When you talk, when you speak, when you sing, when you dance, when you eat, when you drink, all those are actions. Eat, drink, dance, jump, speak, talk. All those are action words and all those are verbs. Okay. So with verbs, if you use ing, it becomes continuous tense. Children, we understood the form of the past continuous tense. Now, when do we use past continuous tense? When we want to talk about an action that was going on for some period in the past. Okay. For example, I was practicing for English recitation yesterday. So here, which all words form the past continuous tense? Was practicing. Practicing is a verb. With that, I have used ing to make it continuous form. Okay. To show that that action was going on for some time. Okay. Now, let's move on to present continuous tense. Now, when do we use present continuous tense? We use present continuous tense mainly to talk about an action that is still going on. Okay. That is still going on in the present. Okay. Let's see some examples. For example, I am practicing for English recitation. So here with I have to use am. So what is the form? Is or am or are plus verb plus ing forms the present continuous tense. Okay. With I have to use am, and with plural subjects I have to use are. With singular subjects I have to use is, right? If it is he or she, I have to use is. He or she is practicing for English recitation. If it is they, I have to use are. They are practicing for English recitation. So that's how it goes. Okay. Now, let's see the examples, or let's do the textual exercises. So the very first one, we dash in the bracket, it is go to Cochin next month. So which can we use here? We have to use either past or present. Okay. So which can we use here? We can use present. Why did we use present continuous tense? Because we are talking about an action that will happen in the near future. Okay. It's not too far away, right? Next month is not too far away. So it will happen as soon as possible. For such actions, we can make use of present continuous tense. So how will the sentence go, children? We are going to Kochi next month. Go becomes are going. Okay. Next, the second one. They dashed their house when the guests arrived. So here, there's a word arrived. So with that, you understood that the action is already over. Okay. We want to talk about a past action. So here we can use past continuous tense. So how will the sentence go, children? They were cleaning their house when the guest arrived. So they is plural, so we used were. Okay. They were cleaning the house before the guest arrived. Third one. Why dash you dash, and in the bracket the verb is cry. Is everything all right? So why are you crying? That's how the sentence goes. So here we have made use of present continuous tense because that action is still going on. Okay. That particular person is still crying. That's why it is in present continuous tense. Look at the fourth one, children. Dash it dash, in the bracket it is rain when you reached Pune. So here reached, again the word reached, it shows that it's already a past action. So we had to use was it raining. Okay, was it raining when you reached Pune? Next, Raghav is reading a book and Pooja dash plays a verb, okay, with some toy trains. So already you understood that the sentence is in present continuous tense. How? Because is reading. Raghav is reading a book. Is reading is in present continuous tense. So we can complete the sentence using present continuous tense because the actions are still going on. And Pooja is playing. Okay, so Pooja is playing with some toy trains.